I'm coming at you guys with this beautiful Christmassy recreated Pinterest inspired makeup look. I am obsessed with this look. I thought it was so beautiful. Here is my version of it. Again, when I do recreate these Pinterest looks, I don't always have the actual product or item that they are using, so I use what I use that is closest to me or that I have. So I hope you guys will still love it. I'm really proud of myself. I couldn't do the Christmas tree though. I always have problems with this side of the face. So I had Micah come in, which you guys will see that in the tutorial. But I love how I made my little Christmas Santa hat. And Micah did really well on the Christmas tree. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Thumbs it up for more tutorials. I'm sorry that I didn't do so many fall and Thanksgiving looks on here. I just kind of like, wasn't feeling Thanksgiving this year for some reason, and I just kind of like skipped Thanksgiving and fall and went straight to Christmas. Christmas is honestly my favorite holiday, you guys, so I'm going to be booking out some amazing Christmas tutorials. And then also some New Year's tutorials will be coming soon. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Sorry that we took a couple days off. It was pretty hectic. We were uploading back to back. I'm almost finished uploading all the older private videos, and then we have a newer vlog that we just filmed like a week ago that I may post sometime next week, so stay tuned for some recent videos coming at you guys. And also, let's get started with this video. And before I go though, make sure to click the Linktree link in our description. I promise it doesn't scam you or anything. It doesn't hack your passwords or anything. It literally is just a link to all of Micah and I's other social medias. If you guys want to see any pictures of this close up or details of it more like in depth, it'll be on my makeup Instagram, and also I'll have some cutesy TikTok videos coming with this look. So if you guys want more in-depth look and closer looks at this look, definitely go click the link in our link tree. You could also find Micah's social medias if you guys want to check him out as well. We also have an Instagram together, Twitters, etc, etc. So go check us out, guys, because you're missing out on a lot of cool things. But anyways, let's get started with this this Pinterest recreated makeup look. I hope you guys will enjoy it. We tried our best. Because Micah, credit for his Christmas tree, and also credit for just everything that I did. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Hey guys, so the first thing that I like to do is hydrate my skin. I do this in every single one of my tutorials. I have really dry skin, especially in the winter and in the summer. I feel like I have dry skin all year round, but it shows more when it's really cold or when it's really hot. So this lotion from the Dollar Tree has been my lifesaver. Like, I can't believe that something so cheap works way better than like a high-end product. I wasn't giving you guys the finger. I just like to clean my hands and use my fingers sometimes, because I feel like the warmth of your skin kind of like blends in the stuff better when you have dry skin. So I love using my hands. So always make sure to wash your hands before you do your makeup, because it's so sanitary to do that. Also, my brows are my brows. You don't have to like them. They're not sisters. I've already explained what happened to my brows on TikTok if you guys want to go watch that video. But long story short, I was hit in the head on the side that I'm doing with a baseball when I was younger at my soccer team's game. And unfortunately, ever since that day, I've noticed that my brows have been different heights. Like, that brow on that side is more lower, I believe, or upper than this side that I'm showing you. So please be respectful to that, because I have no control over it. I've tried making my brows super straight, and I've even had my brows plucked by someone at a beauty place. I believe it was like in the middle of the mall where they do like things and stuff. I tried out a pair of tweezers, and she even said like, it's not my fault or the brow's fault. It's whatever happened to me. Like, my brow just on that side never went fully back to its normal self. So they're not sisters. And I've read somewhere anyways that bras aren't supposed to be sisters. I was trying to remember what it was, but it was in the middle of the mall where they have you test out things and stuff, and this lady had like this really nice tweezer. Supposedly it was like pain free, but I still felt a little bit of pain. So yeah, anyways, I found this look on Pinterest. And I fell in love with it because I love Christmas, and I'm like, girl, I am going to be doing so many Christmas looks for you guys. It's not even funny. I have like 20 already saved on Pinterest. And I've been looking at like 30 more. So I'm going to have a lot. Probably won't do all this year, but definitely will do some of my favorites. This one was my favorite. Again, when I do recreate looks, I always try to find the closest shades as possible. I have so many palettes now since my sister-in-law gave me a lot of her extra stuff or stuff she wasn't using. So I do tend to put a lot of work and effort into these videos because I go through like hundreds of palettes to try to get the closest colors and shades as possible. Micah really helps as well, guys. Like, don't think that I'm doing all this behind the scenes by myself. Like, I have to give credit to Micah because he helps me a lot. He even helped me with the tree in this tutorial video, and you guys will see that when it comes up because I was just feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with these looks, and sometimes I just feel like I try to do too much, and I know I can't, especially with my health issues and stuff, but I love doing these for you guys. I love doing them too because they're so therapeutic, and I love, challenging myself. I love a good challenge. So here I am just applying concealer to make those lid colors pop. I always had trouble with this part because my one eye on that side, like the side that I'm putting the concealer, that's the side I was hit upside the head with a baseball. And I've noticed that this eye has some swelling to it. I don't know if it's like, normal or if it's something I should get checked out. I mean, I've never had issues until I started getting older and putting makeup on. I've noticed that this eye has looked a little different than the other one. But I get so confused because like this eye, like the one eye that I'm doing, it just looks so puffier than the other one. So I don't know what it is. But anyways, here I am drawing out the Santa hat. Guys, I'm so proud of myself with this. Like, I'm not an artist at all. The artist in the house is Micah, and 100% Micah. I am not good at drawing at all, and I was so proud of myself. So here I am using my concealer to cut the eyeshadows to make it look nicer. I tried looking for a different concealer and I found one, but I haven't tested it out yet. I keep forgetting to get it out of the gray drawer, so I keep using my Gucci one. I definitely need to get it out of my drawer though, because I love this Gucci one and I don't want it to run out. But here I am just using a beauty sponge. I always recommend people with dry skin to use a wet beauty sponge. Also, you guys are probably wondering why I went to concealer and I didn't finish the Santa hat. Well, that's because I was letting the white part dry, because I noticed with this eyeliner, like the white eyeliner, it takes a little bit to dry, especially if you have to pack it on. So I wanted to wait, but I go back and I start drawing my Santa hat, and I am so freaking proud of myself. Like, you have no idea. Like, I am not an artist at all, and Micah knows this. Micah knows that he draws way better than I can, which is why he was in a lot of my past tutorials. I freaking am obsessed. So I'm kind of over there, like, screaming inside, but I was holding it together because yeah. Anyways, here I am just putting the little white ball. That was probably the hardest because the eyeliner point is so, like, flimsy that I was scared it was going to move around and, like, throw white everywhere, but it didn't. So here's me drawing the stem of the tree, and I was just feeling overstimulated and also I was feeling shaky, okay? I haven't ate at this point, and I was feeling shaky. I could feel my anxiety, so that's why I just went straight to doing my lashes and to let Micah finish up what he was doing so he could come help me with the tree. Well, here's Micah for you guys. You can't really see him because he's standing over me, but he's helping. So we started out with this Morphe Brushes eyeliner, but it kept breaking on Mika, so it was kind of getting annoying for both of us. So then he switched it to a liquid eyeliner. So this is when I came back. Here's the liquid eyeliner. So his tray is a little bit different than hers just because I do try to make it a little bit different if I can. If we can't get it exactly, and I didn't want him to get upset or I get upset, so I just told him to do it however he wanted to do it, just make it look like a little Christmas tree. And that's what he did. And then we took a golden eyeliner by Wet n Wild, and it was their little twin stars like collab, and he put a star. So this one gave us a little bit of hell because he kept messing up and stuff, but he went back in and fixed it and stuff like that. So then I go in and I fill in the Christmas tree with that eyeliner because Mika was starting to feel a little bit irritable because of the eyeliner and because of the stars. So I was like, I can do it. It's just filling it in. So I made sure to take my time. Sorry that I'm out of the screen a little bit. I just didn't want to mess it up. Because Mika did really good on it and really hard. So I was just trying to, take my time and not mess it up or anything like that. So now I'm going in with some mascara. And this has been my favorite mascara, but I already need to throw it away because it's starting to dry out, unfortunately. I've been doing one eye off camera and doing one eye on camera to try to save time, so that's why you're not seeing me do the other eye. But it does have mascara on it. Then I'm going in with this eyeliner. Guys, this eyeliner is literally $1 at Walmart, and it is so pigmented. I really recommend it. Also, these lashes are only $1.24 at Walmart. Again, recommend them. And they're in Va Va Voom. Again, I have been finding so many great makeup items at Walmart, and I'm not sponsored or paid or anything like that. I am just sharing some awesome products for you guys. Those two products I just shared with you are extremely amazing and super inexpensive. If you are on a budget like we are and you need some new eyeliner or lashes, definitely check out Walmart because those lashes and that eyeliner are just amazing. Like, I need hundreds of those in my collection. Then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. So I got this same foundation because it's the cheapest foundation at Walmart, sad face. But anyways, it is a dewy setting, so it actually looks a lot better on my skin than the dry one. So here I am just applying it all over. I was kind of upset at myself because I should have added it to my forehead before we drew the stuff, so I got my Santa hat a little bit messed up, but I went and fixed it. And then I came back in with blush. I didn't do bronzer because I just think that I would have messed up the Santa hat and stuff, so I just put a lot of blush. Like if my face was cold, when you go outside and your cheeks and your little nose and your chin turns red. So here I am just blending it out the best I can. I like to do like tapping and then also a little bit of blending, but tapping is a lot better if you have dry skin. Then I'm going in with this Physicians Formula All Stars Face Palette, taking this beautiful highlight. I love this palette, and I only got it for $9.99, and it's at Walmart, and it's super amazing. I haven't used everything, but I did swatch everything, and it's very pigmented, and it's very, very nice. Like, I recommend it 100%. So here I am just applying that all over where you would put highlight, and just making sure to blend it the best I can. Then I'm going in with the same highlight and putting it in my inner tear duct. Last but not least, for my lips, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Mulberry Bliss. And here's the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed it. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. I really, really want to do more Christmas looks, so stay on the lookout. Also, here's an up-close picture of the one I found on Pinterest. It is so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And here's mine. I don't know why it's funny, but it's funny to me. Like, guys, I tried. Here's me in the sun. The sun felt so good today. And here's another selfie of me, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go. Alright, love you guys. See you guys in our next video. Make sure to thumbs up, like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Peace, guys. Bye.